Hey there, design enthusiasts. Today, I want to take you on a journey through a stunning apartment in Thane, India, where neutrals are given a whole new lease of life. This 3,000 square foot space is a testament to how a thoughtful design approach can transform a simple palette into something truly captivating. So, grab your coffee, or maybe a glass of something stronger, and let's dive into this masterpiece. First things first, the designers, Jasem Pirani and Huzefa Rangwala from MuseLAB, had a clear brief to create a calm and cohesive space for a couple with two sons, all while keeping things light and neutral. But here's the twist, they wanted to make neutrals fun again. And boy, did they deliver. The key to this project was all about texture and material. Every surface was carefully considered to create a sense of depth and interest without overwhelming the senses. Imagine a mood board where everything looks flat, and then you add a light veneer, almost white, to bring it all to life. It's like painting with shadows and light, creating a subtle dance of tones and textures. Now, let's talk about the living area, which is a whopping 900 square feet. No sharp angles here, instead, curves and undulations greet you at every turn. From the ribbon-like wall alongside the entrance to the ceiling marked by concentric circles, it's like stepping into a fluid sculpture. And the layout? Think of it as a sequence of circles set within a square, each one sweeping across to define different areas. It's a clever play of geometry that makes you feel like you're in a work of art. Speaking of art, the grand dome light in the dining area is a custom creation, spanning 42 inches, and it hangs over a circular marble table. It's a statement piece that demands attention without being overbearing. But the real challenge was the marble inlay floor. The designers wanted to create a terrazzo effect without using traditional terrazzo. So, they worked with Lake Placid quartzite, a hardy material, and cut it into terrazzo-like chips using water jet technology. These chips were then inlaid into marble, creating a unique and intricate design. It's a meticulous process that required precision and attention to detail, especially since the inlay had to align with the ceiling and other circular forms in the space. Talk about a labor of love. Now, let's talk about the coffee corner, a charming addition to the home. The clients, who are coffee enthusiasts, wanted a dedicated space for their daily ritual. So, a curved alcove in the living area was transformed into a cozy coffee haven. It's a perfect example of how design can cater to personal preferences and create a sense of warmth and comfort. Moving on to the master bedroom, we find ourselves in a sanctuary of tranquility. The palette here is a soft sandy taupe, and the curves continue to dominate the space. The designers wanted to reflect the client's calm and grounded personalities, and it shows. A clean arched headboard, finished in a moving white veneer, adds a touch of elegance, while scalloped motifs along the bay window frame the view of the spa pool. It's a bedroom that invites you to relax and unwind. The parents' bedroom takes on a more mature design sensibility, but it still retains the charming curves. And the sons' bedrooms? Well, they're a playful contrast, with electric green and steel blue accents adding a touch of whimsy. It's a perfect balance of restraint and fun. What makes this apartment truly special is how it embraces a concept-driven approach while still feeling indulgent and textural. It's minimal without being cold, and it invites you to explore the interplay of light and shadow, texture and form. So, the next time you think neutrals are boring, remember this Thane apartment and the designer's clever use of materials and geometry. It just goes to show that sometimes, less is indeed more, and a thoughtful design approach can make all the difference. And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this journey through this stunning apartment. Remember, design is all about finding that perfect balance between form and function, and sometimes, it's the unexpected details that make all the difference. So, keep an eye out for those hidden gems in your own space, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Until next time, happy designing.